Hi guys, welcome to my channel and how to download Gigabyte motherboard driver. So guys, first you have to come see this is first. You have to come gigabyte.com. This is officially website. So you can download Gigabyte any devices, drivers and all. So you can see this is search button. Then you enter your model number of motherboard and then hit enter. B760M KV DDR4 V2 DDR4. And then click on product and click on the title and click on support. Select operating system, which is Windows 10 and 11. There are two operating systems support this motherboard. And if you are using Windows 10 and 11, both different. So this is installation process same. Select any because installations process just same. Okay. Chipset. So Intel Dynamic Tunnel. Okay, and Intel Serial. This one to download. After downloaded, open it. Double click to launch. Then yes. Now this is installing. Then it is closed means it's installed. And also try to this one. This is required driver to chipset. This is so important for this. So this is automatically closed means it is installed.